Hello, students. Today, our topic is regarding light. What is light? Light is a form of energy, is a form of energy produced by excited atoms, which produces which produces sensation of vision in us. So, what do you mean by it, my dear? It is only the light which makes you aware to see the things around us, whether it's your house, your notebook, your copy, your book, anything, the people around you, the beautiful things around you, whatsoever you are able to see, it is only and only because of light. When the darkness comes, if you are going to put your eyes open, you are not able to see because there is no light. So, definitely, light is having the energy to see the things around us. It makes we people to able so that we can see the things around us. Now there is term excited atoms. Let's suppose this is an atom. At the center of atom, there is a nucleus, and there we are having the shells around it. This shell number first, shell number second, shell number third. It is having the 2 electrons. It is having 8 electrons according to the rule. Let it be some number. So by excited atom, I mean when the electron goes from one orbit to another orbit, or from this orbit to this orbit. Let us suppose this electron goes from this orbit to this, but it cannot go by itself. It needs some energy. First it absorbs energy, then it goes to this very shell. So when an electron is a particular orbit, it first absorbs the energy, then it goes to particular shell, higher shell. Once it is going to reside here, after some time, in a time of in a time of 10 raised power minus 8 seconds, it comes back to its original state. So first the electron goes from one orbit to another orbit. It needs some energy to go from one orbit to another orbit. There the electron resides for some time, and we are going to see that atom as an excited atom. Listen carefully. I am saying when an electron goes from one orbit to another orbit, the atom is said to be excited. Now, in the excited state, it remains for only small time, this very much time, 10 raised power minus 8 seconds, which is also called as one shake. Once the electron resides there, then it comes back, but once it has to come back to its original state, it has to definitely release energy in the form of photon. Once it comes back, it can reside only in this very shell once it is having the energy of this very shell. First it was in this very shell, we heated it up, we gave it energy, and it got into the higher energy state. But after some time, in a time of 10 to the power minus 8 seconds, it comes back and moves to its original state. Once it moves into its original state, then it releases energy in the form of light. And this is the light which makes we people able to see things around us. you are, whatever you are going to see, that all is because of the light around us. This is all for today. Tomorrow we will continue its rest of the topics. Allah Hafiz.